Ever wondered if swapping out your stock drill chuck is worth it, or just another tool rabbit hole? Here's the honest scoop. First up, accuracy. Most stock chucks wobble more than a puppy on a hardwood floor, but this MT2 pulls a TIR of about D02 to D5 inches. Not machinist perfect, but if you're not building rocket engines, you're good. Now, clamping range. This thing grips everything. Tiny Ninu 60 bits to half-inch monsters. That's wider than my appetite on pizza night. The hardened jaws? They eat up mild steel holes up to 3/4 of an inch. No chewing, no slipping, just solid grip. Build quality? Heavy and smooth. No gritty scrolling or mystery binding like bargain bin chucks. Just remember, match your arbor and chuck tapers like socks at laundry day, or the chuck could bail mid-project. So, is it a game changer? For $40, it's a big yes for hobbyists. You get pro-level performance without the pro-level price tag. Just test it when it arrives. Nobody likes a dud.